Good day. You see this opening, you're going to know it's slop in the shop time. And what slop in the shop is on my channel is the bits and pieces, odds and ends, the little things that you can't make a complete video out of. There is so many different names for these videos by different creators, so everybody tries to be creative. And in my case, I decided on the term slop in the shop based on something that I was raised in the country that I'm familiar with, that we didn't really have that much in my family, but my personal family, mom and dad, but other people around me did. And one of the things people, when I was growing up in rural North Carolina, people would raise maybe a pig or a hog and slaughter. Sometimes they'd have smokehouses, sometimes they'd just make it all into sausage and pork chops and such as that. We have, and I know my dad has in the past when I was really little, would even take and have it smoked. They'll take to a barbecue place and have a shoulder smoked, and we'd eat it like that too. So that's what slop in the shop is, and it's odds and ends and bits and pieces. It can be mail call, purchases, viewer gifts, if somebody sends something in as a viewer appreciation gift, little projects that maybe I'm just working on, it's completed, it's real simple, you don't need to show all the work to, 3 or 4 little thises and that's. So that's what slop in the shop is, and that's what we're doing. That's what this video is going to be. So you see me a little different than you normally do. So I hope you enjoy slop in the shop. I hope you enjoy visiting in the shop. And please, I'll remind you at the beginning, we appreciate all the subscribers, the people who stop by and visit, and the people who comment. So jump right in. We're going to hit whatever today's slop in the shop is, and I hope you enjoy the video. Have a great day, and I'll either be back in a regular video or slop in the shop. So let's get to it. This here will be featured in one of my slop in the shop videos that's coming up soon. And what this is an eBay purchase. This is like a little, we used to call them at work parallel stands back when I worked at Eaton, but what they call them is like a comparator. It's a small piece of granite with a bolt that bolts right up like this, and then this piece here bolts on it, and you mount an indicator here. And with my small shop, this is the perfect size for me to put over the corner and use for something like layout work or whatever. These was on eBay, and they had them at a really good price from a industry recycler. And what happened is, you see these little 2 thumb screws. These thumb screws here were, I'm trying to, good way to explain it is these thumb screws is what you tighten up against the shaft. I know this is an import, and it's Chinese. And one of the things about it, the reason why they had these on sale for $40 instead of normally about $80 or $60 or so, is right here. See this here plastic broke off this thumb screw. So I said, well, I can make thumb screws. So what I'm going to do, this is metric. But one of the things I don't like, as soon as I got it apart, is these screws are steel. And you're going to be clamping on this shaft up and down with steel. That's not too swift. So I've got 2 options here on this. And one of them is straightforward, is just make me some thumb screws by just take a piece of brass, turn it to metric. The other one is the one I'm more leaning towards, is drill these out and tap them 1/4 20. I'm going to check it a little bit. And I've got some brass screws, and then I can cut the heads off and make me some thumb screw heads for this out of either aluminum or brass. And that would give me the same thing and save basically the shaft, and be a lot easier to make. So somewhere along the way I'll probably do that. Might be what I'm gonna first thing. I've got other things I wanted to do today, or well, not really, but this is something I want to go ahead and get done so I could use this thing if I needed to. I may end up going and buying me a new indicator to go on it. If I do, I'll probably go to Horrible Freight or something. I mean, as long as you got a pretty decent one. I might have a starrett in there I might use. I don't know yet. We'll see what I've got and what I decide to do. So, but this is going in my slot in the shop, and I'll probably somewhere along the way shoot some more video and bring you back when we got this thing fixed and ready to go. Have a good one. Another piece from my Slop in the Shop series. This is my, you've seen this with my tapping machine. I bought these little simple collets from Little Machine Shop a good while ago. See, the way they work, they're just a piece of hex stock, and then they're broached, and then they got a little screw in them. So you need a little screwdriver. So instead of having to hunt one every time, I always just kept one. So while I was doing my other project just a minute ago, I went ahead and just drilled a quick hole in it. So it will lay, you know, with the block on the machine as I put it up. Let me just turn you around and show you what I'm talking about. There it is. You see it laying right here. So see, I just stored a machine over in the corner, so that way, you know, it's done. So I just drilled these out real quick, drill press more or less. Okay. Oh, Amazon is your friend. And that's what we're opening up here. This is another one of these coolant rigs. I had one of these. This one, I don't think it's got a magnet to it. But I had one, and it's never worked right. So this one has to be hooked to a magnet somehow. Well, we'll fix that, or block, so we'll take care of that later. That'll be another project. But this is the unboxing. I had one of these, and quite frankly, I bought it off eBay and it wasn't worth the killing. So I'm decided to try another one. So we're going to test it real quick here in a second. And now this will work. Now I like this because it's adjustable. Like I say, you can turn the coolant off and just have air, or you can mist with coolant. And it doesn't take a lot of coolant. Now I've got, this is some coolant that's fairly old, and I'm going to tell you that. It comes from my day job. I actually brought it home, a couple bottles, and I've added some like lemon stuff to preserve it. And I've been wanting a mist cooler, maybe like to use in the mill or whatnot. So this is going to be a good addition. We'll just have to figure out how to make it work. So make us some out. So this is working. So this isn't a bust. Thank goodness. Thank you for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed what we did here in the shop. I'm going to use a disclaimer. This is my method in my shop, what I deem to be the best method. But now, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And the comments who will give me, will be answered, and sometimes give me ideas how to be better at what we're doing and making videos. So, again, I'm going to thank you for subscribing, or thank you for viewing. If you're not a subscriber, please do, and join the people who are give me some subscriptions to try to get to these magic numbers to grow the channel. I'm going to do videos where I ever get monetized or not, because I do the videos because I love them. But I would like to get a little chance of getting a little bit of revenue off the ads that you're forced to watch when you come to these channels on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, tell your friends, anybody that's interested, spread the word. And we'll see you in the next video that we're making something new and having fun in the shop. So enjoy.